Hi, I'm Liz, and this is how to replace your motorcycle levers. A 10mm socket wrench, needle nose pliers, clutch and brake levers, WD-40, cable lubricant, and a flathead screwdriver. Use the 10mm socket wrench to loosen the bolt that's holding the brake lever in place. Remove the attachment screw above. Remove the old brake lever and use WD-40 to clean the area. Slide the lever into place and put the screw and bolt back on. Yeah, and that's it. We did the brake lever. Woohoo! The clutch lever is a little bit more complex. Same as before, take off the bolt and screw that's holding the lever in place. This is the clutch cable adjuster. Next we have the fixing nut. This is the bracket that holds the clutch lever to the bike. And here we have the clutch lever, which you're replacing. Hopefully you know what it is. In order to remove the clutch from the clutch cable, you have to align all of these components. So turn the fixing nut and the clutch cable adjuster to align with the openings of the bracket and the clutch lever. Now you can take off the clutch and thread the cable through that opening. Turn the clutch lever over and remove the cable. Spray cable lubricant into the clutch cable housing. Again, use WD-40 to clean the bracket. Basically do everything I just said in reverse. Put the cable into the new clutch. Thread the cable through the opening and put the new clutch back into place. Put back the screw and bolt. Now you have to adjust the cable to its proper tension. You can determine when the clutch cable is at its correct tension if you measure the distance between the edge of the clutch lever and the bracket. This distance should be about 3 to 4 millimeters. You can also reference your owner's manual. Once it's properly adjusted, lock it into place and you're done. Thanks for checking out this how-to video. I hope it was helpful. Feel free to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next week. Peace.